Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. In this video, I'm kicking off a new series I'm going to do once a month to showcase my new website called bermudaLawnCalendar.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the yard and show you things that you do once a month or things you do on a monthly schedule. For example, this month is January. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the yard. As you can see, it's going dormant. It should be fully dormant by now because it is January. It should be cold. In fact, I'm wearing shorts because it's 70 degrees. Kind of wild weather we've had. But you can see still has a little green in it. And these dog spots, I mean, check these out. It's super green. But as you look at these, you see I have a lot of pine straw, a lot of twigs in the yard. Look at all this. A lot of leaves. Because, you know, I'm surrounded by woods on the sides, across the street, and on that side. I mean, just trees everywhere. But look how green. Makes me wonder if I fertilize the yard, put some nitrogen into it, if I had been doing it regularly, if the whole yard would be this green. Probably would be, but definitely don't want to do that with winter coming because next week's forecast is dropping down 50 and 30. But in today's video, we're going to concentrate on cleaning up the yard. I'm going to show you several different ways to clean up the yard. Because you want it clean going into the spring. Get ready for your first scalp, probably around March, April sometime. But today, I'm going to start off with, I'm going to do a little edging right here. So edge. Also, January is a good time to get your beds in shape. You want to, you know, cut your beds, make sure they're proper, clean. In fact, you may have noticed my beds. I haven't done anything to them this fall because I'm getting ready to put rock in them. I'm going to clean them out probably within the next month or two and put rock in it and really clean them up and plant some new flowers and basically do a bed renovation. Let's walk around this way. You can see how this has a whole lot of pine straw. Has a lot of weeds in it too. You see the weeds coming in? Even though I did put pre-emergent, following my pre-emergent schedule, still getting a lot of weeds on this side. Seems like I got two spots there and here. For some reason, weeds, got a few up there. But anyway, we're gonna clean all this up. See all this pine straw, leaves. And we'll do different methods. We'll use a blower on one area just to blow the leaves off. You can do it here and blow the pine straw. It might take a while. In this area, what we're probably going to do is use my zero turn and just ride down it and blow it all towards the woods. Turn around, come back up. Make sure your sheet's pointing towards the woods. So I'm going to come back this way. And in the front yard and probably the backyard, I'm going to put my brush attachment on my Allett and get it sweeping up, because you don't want to mulch. Mulch is another way you can do it to clean up your yard. You can mulch, send the stuff back down into the grass. But since I real mow, I really don't want these sticks and pine straw to be mulched up and back down to the turf, because granted by spring it probably won't be decayed by then. And then I come through with the reel. I don't want to hit anything hard with the reel that could damage the reel. So I'm gonna use a brush attachment and also a bagger. That's another option to use. Like on the ditch up here, I'm probably gonna put my bagger on and bag the ditch. It's turned out really good. If you've seen my other videos, I'll put some link up here to it of my ditch renovation. Pretty much all the weeds and other grass types have died. You can see right there where a spot of the St. Augustine or centipede was. It died at the end of the year after that last spraying, and they started filling in good with Bermuda. So it's really thick. In fact, you can see some of the tiger stripes going on because it got so thick, especially up here. Yeah. So the Bermuda is really taking off. Gonna look really good this coming spring. It's gonna be solid turf all the way down, all the way to the street, and weed free. We'll go over this side. What are we gonna do on this side? I'm probably gonna do my zero turn as well. Anywhere we got woods over on the sides, I'm just gonna blow it all into the woods using the zero turn, just riding it. Same with up here. And then down by the pond, at the end I'll show you, I'll use the blower and I'll just blow all the leaves off the grass down there. There's no need to dragging the mower all the way down there just to bag up leaves or throw them off, because my zero turn, I don't like using it down there. I used it once and almost slid into the pond, so I'm not gonna do that. So first, let's get our stuff together. Well, first let's edge. I'm gonna edge driveway. I like to do it first. and then come back and start cleaning up everything. All right, the same thing with scalping. When you're cleaning up like this, it generates a lot of dust, so make sure you wear a dust mask, or you can use these little masks I got on my website, my little logo on it. Just a little fun, something to, you know, keep the dust out, especially if you suffer from allergies. I know sickness abounds in January usually because of the winter months, so make sure you use a mask or a dust mask or something to cover up and keep all this dust out of your system. All right guys, look how clean it's gotten it. That brush really did a great job. It even left some dormant stripes, I guess you could say. A few leaves have already blown in where I did it, but definitely got up all the pine straw, all the little twigs, cleaned it up really good. So we'll finish this up, we'll move to the back, and we'll finish the backyard up too. Okay guys, we got the front yard really clean. You can see some dormant stripes going on. Our fresh little green spots. But yeah, it really did a good job cleaning it up. Got up all the twigs, all the leaves, pretty much everything. Really proud of the Allett Kensington and the brush attachment. See some pine straw still in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the backyard, and we'll walk around and take a quick look at that, and then we'll get on my big zero turn and do the rest of the property. All right guys, I got the back cleaned up with my Allett Kensington 20H. See, it's still got some pretty good green in here, but got all the debris up. Pine straw, got it cleaned up really good. Oh, there's weed. Uh-oh, lone survivor. From this angle, you can really see how clean it is back here that I cleaned up with the Allett Kensington with the brush attachment. Come along here, boom. See how messy this is. So now I'm going to get on my old zero turn right there and basically come down this way, shoot it into the woods, turn around, go back up, come back down, shoot it into the woods. Really quick and easy way to clean up the yard. Got that cleaned up, pushed it all down to the edge of the wood line here, and that's good too. It also helps with erosion as water's running down the hill, so I keep that from eroding. Got it cleaned up. I'm not going to show you on video the backyard and the other side of the yard. I'm about to run out of daylight here. You can see the sun's about to set, and also the front yard. I'll bag it too, probably later this evening or maybe tomorrow evening. But you may be asking yourself, what else can I do to the yard besides just cleaning it up? Can I throw something down? Can I spray something down? The answer is yes. And let me head to the garage. We'll head to the garage and I'll show you a few products I recommend putting down in January. Here we are in my garage, my very messy shelf of product here. I got all kind of products here. I'm just going to point out a few things that you throw down in January. Impro Micro Mix. You can throw down some that good stuff. Let's see what else we got here. We got some Hemachar. Like I've been doing 10 pounds over my front yard. That's 4,000 square feet. So I put down 10 pounds of this about monthly. That works really great. Also got some MDG down here from the Andersons. see, you don't want to put down fertilizer. This is my Green Tracks fertilizer. Definitely don't want to put any of that down. This would be great to put down. Some soil hume. Let's see, we got root hume. Yeah, great stuff to put down. Oh, we've got some Carbon Pro G. You can also put that down if you want. Yeah, Carbon Pro G. It's a Lesco product. You pick that up at your local SiteOne, I believe. And also, if you're still seeing a lot of bugs in your yard, you can put down some Duocide, or maybe pick up this at your local big box. Just some insecticide. Yeah, if you want to throw something down or spray something down, go for it. Got all my toys sitting out here in the garage. Went through a lot of tools this afternoon to clean up this mess, but now I think it looks really good. It'll probably storm the next couple of days and make another mess. That's the life of a lawn enthusiast. Constant work in the yard, but it beats sitting on the couch playing video games, I guess, or other things. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out my new website and follow it throughout 2022, and that is Bermuda Lawn Calendar. And hope you enjoy that one. Website, you'll be able to follow it monthly and basically see what I do in my yard. I am in zone 8. It applies to this zone throughout the South, say Georgia, South Carolina, Arkansas, Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana, wherever you have Bermuda. It should apply to any Bermuda lawn. I doubt you're growing Bermuda up north, unless you're inside growing under a heat lamp. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day. Thank you. Down by the pond here is a perfect opportunity to use my backpack blower instead of pulling the push mower down here and bagging it and then dumping it. And just blow the leaves off and clean it up real quick.